Hello, my darlings, and welcome. I invite you to embark on a blissful meditation as we explore the harmonious alignment of your chakras. Embrace the visual themes of vibrant colors representing each chakra as we dive into a full body scan. Let's do some magical crafting. You may wish to do this meditation seated, lying down, or as a moving meditation while walking. Do not listen to this guided meditation while driving. Find a tranquil space where you can connect with the energy centers within you, and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing your body to relax. Visualize a warm and nurturing light enveloping you, grounding you to the earth's energy. Feel your connection to the universe as you become present in this sacred moment. Direct your attention to the base of your spine, where the vibrant red energy of the root chakra resides. Visualize this energy spinning and glowing and nurturing your sense of safety, stability, and foundation. Feel its warmth as it grounds you, connecting you deeply to the earth. Repeat these affirmations. I am grounded, safe, and secure. I trust the process of life. My roots are strong, and I'm deeply connected to the earth. Shift your focus to your lower abdomen, where the bright orange energy of the sacral chakra resides. Envision this energy swirling and radiating, igniting your passion for creativity and emotional well-being. Allow its vibrant glow to flow freely, embracing your innate sensuality and joy. Repeat these affirmations. I embrace my creativity and passion. I am open to the joy of living. I flow with grace and ease. Now bring your attention to the area above your navel, where the golden yellow energy of the solar plexus chakra resides. Visualize this energy shining brilliantly, empowering your personal power, confidence, and inner strength. Feel its radiant warmth as it empowers you to embrace your authentic self. Repeat these affirmations. I am confident and empowered. I honor the power within me. I am capable and strong. Shift your awareness now to the center of your chest, where the soothing green energy of the heart chakra resides. Envision this energy expanding and pulsating, radiating unconditional love, compassion, and harmony. Feel its gentle embrace as it connects you to the profound essence of love. Repeat these affirmations. I am love. I am loved. I am loving. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I forgive myself and others. And now direct your attention to your throat area, where the serene blue energy of the throat chakra resides. Visualize this energy swirling and glowing, allowing your authentic voice and self-expression to flow effortlessly. Feel its calming presence as it encourages clear communication and honest expression. Repeat these affirmations. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. My voice is powerful and clear. I express myself freely and creatively. Now shift your focus to the space between your eyebrows, where the deep indigo energy of the third eye chakra resides. Envision this energy spinning and glowing, awakening your intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. Embrace its serene power as it enhances your spiritual connection and inner knowing. Repeat these affirmations. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I see clearly and understand the truth. My mind is open to new ideas. And finally, bring your attention to the crown of your head, where the ethereal violet energy of the crown chakra resides. Visualize this energy shimmering and expanding, connecting you to the infinite wisdom and divine consciousness. Feel its gentle embrace as it opens you up to the vastness of the universe. Repeat these affirmations. I am connected to the divine source of the universe. I am open to divine wisdom and guidance. I am one with the universe. Take a moment to visualize all of the colors of the chakras blending together, creating a harmonious rainbow of energy flowing through your entire being. Feel the balance, alignment, and vitality within as your chakras radiate in perfect harmony. Repeat these affirmations. My chakras are balanced and aligned. I am in perfect harmony with myself and the universe. I am filled with light, love, and peaceful energy. As this meditation concludes, the music will play for several more minutes. During this time, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the vibrant energy of your harmonized chakras resonating within you, guiding you on your path of self-discovery and empowerment. May you continue to nurture and align your chakras, creating a harmonious and fulfilling life. I am sending you blessings of harmony and balance.